Another day, another story. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share with you 3 highly effective stretches specifically designed to release your pelvic floor tension. I'm Eric, a doctor of physiotherapy specializing in pelvic floor-related conditions. Whether you're experiencing bladder issues or simply seeking to improve your pelvic floor function, these stretches are essential for you. Let's dive right in. We'll begin with the Happy Baby Stretch. This exercise works wonders for stretching the pelvic floor openings, hip joints, and groin muscles. Grab your workout mat or find a carpeted room if you don't have one. Lie flat on your back and visualize the movement. Lift your feet up overhead, bending your knees. Reach through your knees and gently grab onto the outside of your feet, ensuring they are shoulder width apart. Rest in this position, feeling a gentle stretch in your groin. Let's hold this stretch for 30 seconds, focusing on deep breathing and gradually pulling your feet toward the floor to enhance the stretch. Now, let's move on to the Cobra Stretch. This stretch targets the lower abdomen, specifically the area right above the pubic bone. Get into position on your mat, facing down, and imagine the posture. Place your hands on the mat directly under your shoulders, ensuring even spacing. Keep your toes, pelvis, and thighs lying flat on the ground. Slowly roll up, pushing into the ground, and lift your chest and upper body as far as is comfortable. Remember to breathe deeply and avoid holding your breath. Let's set a timer for 30 seconds to ensure we hold the stretch for an adequate amount of time. As you sink into the stretch, feel the tension release from your hips and pelvic floor. Finally, let's conclude with the hip flexor stretch. The hip flexor muscles, located in the front of the thigh, often become tight, especially if you spend a significant amount of time sitting. This stretch is designed to release that tension. Kneel on your mat and visualize the next movement. Take a giant step forward with one leg, planting your back knee on the ground and placing your front foot flat on the mat. Your shoulders should be aligned directly in front of you. With your hands on your hips, gently push forward, creating a lunging motion that emphasizes the hip. Be mindful to keep your upper torso upright and avoid leaning or hunching forward. Let's set a timer for 30 seconds, allowing you to sink deeper into the stretch while focusing on deep breathing and relaxation. To maximize the benefits of these stretches, I encourage you to incorporate them into your daily routine. Remember to listen to your body, progressing at your own pace. Click the subscribe button to join our growing community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll guide you through a pelvic floor strength test you can perform at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video, where we continue our journey toward a healthier pelvic floor.